our channel Science and Knowledge. Is this our first look at the Galaxy S25 Ultra design? Ultra thin bezels and rounded corners. The first image of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has appeared online, and many other new exciting details. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. We are at least 5 months away from the launch of the Galaxy S25 line, but some things about the upcoming flagship smartphone have already leaked. One of the biggest unknown things about the Galaxy S25 was its design. And we have now the first look at the possible Galaxy S25 Ultra design from the front. New images show the Galaxy S25 Ultra rounded design next to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Famous tech insider IceUniverse posted an image on X.com, hinting that the Galaxy S25 Ultra design will look that. From what it looks, the smartphone will have slightly rounded corners, a change compared to the sharp corners of the Galaxy S24 Ultra model. If this information is correct, we think rounded corners make more sense, as it will make it more comfortable to hold the phone. The tipster also posted an image comparing the front design of the Galaxy S24 Ultra to that of the Galaxy S25 Ultra model. It appears that Samsung's next flagship smartphone will have the same screen size as its existing flagship models, and the screen aspect ratio also seems similar to that of the Galaxy S24 Ultra model. Previous reports have claimed that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a 200 megapixel primary rear camera, a 50 megapixel telephoto camera, a 50 megapixel super telephoto camera, a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera, and a 12 megapixel front facing camera. It could have a 5000 mAh battery and 45 watt fast battery charging speed, similar to its predecessor. Report also claimed that it will feature a 3nm processor. It will most likely use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset with Qualcomm's custom Oryon CPU cores. The Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus could use Samsung's in-house Exynos 2500 chipset with next generation ARM CPU cores and the AMD RDNA-based Xclipse 950 GPU. Vice President of the Samsung MX division, Daniel Orujo, spoke to the company's shareholders during the second quarter earnings call. Regarding the Galaxy S25 lineup, Daniel said that areas such as camera, display, SoC, RAM and AI will get top-of-the-line upgrades. Interestingly, the executive words seem to confirm the rumored Galaxy S25 RAM bump. The Galaxy S25 series is expected to launch in early 2025. So for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time. Bye bye.